We have completed our Facebook data extraction, transformation and loading. So let's get our code out of the notebook and into a Python file. Go to File, Download as, Python to download it. Then go to your Downloads folder and open the file. Copy-paste everything from the library section down to the last function into your template and replace the parts that you don't need there anymore, which is almost everything. Then delete the comments in between your functions out and add a main function that will execute our functions in the right order. We can go to our Google Analytics Python file and copy-paste many parts from that main function, especially the descriptions and order. From the downloaded notebook file, copy-paste the initializing Facebook, the account, and loop functions. Finally, add the if main statement.